sleeping beauties. Welcome to my channel, and in this video we are going to start a new chapter of the class 1, that is chapter number 3, that is human reproduction. So we all know that as far as consider the process of reproduction, we mainly see the types of reproduction. Those are the sexual and asexual reproduction. So coming to the topic, that is reproduction, we have already learned in our last two previous chapters, that is reproduction, where the word itself suggests the production, reproducing of the offsprings, where it is the capability of all the living organisms to reproduce their offsprings which are similar to them. So this is the reproduction, which is one of the basic character or feature of all the living beings. So in this chapter we are going to study only about the human reproduction. In human reproduction we can only notice a single mode of reproduction, that is only sexual. In human reproduction we only see the mode of sexual reproduction. In this process two parents are needed to complete this sexual or the reproduction. So before going to start whatever the process or the structures of male and female reproductive system, let's go through a simple basic steps which occurs in the human reproduction. So there are 7 basic steps which takes place in each and every human reproduction. Let's start. That is, the first step is the gametogenesis. We all know that what is gametogenesis, as we have studied in our previous class. That is, gametogenesis is nothing but the formation of gametes, isn't it? Of course, we know that gameto is gametes, where genesis means formation. So, formation of gametes is called as the gametogenesis. It is the initial and first step which takes place in the human reproduction. So formation of gametes, in the sense here, two gametes are produced. That is, one is male, that is a sperm, and another is a female, that is ovum. Sperm is a male gamete, where ovum is the female gamete. So this is the gametogenesis. Soon after the gametogenesis, what happens? Insemination, where insemination is the insert. Insemination, where the male gamete, that is sperm, is inserted, or sperm enter the female genital. What happens? Insemination. The sperm gets into the female genital tract. Genital tract. So this is called as the insemination, where sperm is inserted to the female genital tract. After this insemination, fertilization occurs, because soon after the insemination, the sperm gets fused with the ovum, which this is the fusion of the male and female gametes. We know that it is the fertilization. This results in the formation of zygote, where soon after the formation of zygote, the blastocyst development and its formation takes place. Formation and development takes place after the zygote formation, where this blastocyst development is attached to the uterus wall, female uterus wall. This blastocyst development gets attached to the uterus wall, that is called as the implantation. After this, what happens? Development of an embryo, that is embryo development, where the embryo gets developed. Soon after that, what happens? The embryo has to go through these 7 steps so that at the end product we get the offsprings of the human reproduction or the human of the babies, like as we pay